Hello dear students, welcome to sylearning, and today we will talk about real versus local English. So let's see how many people are using wrong pronunciation. English speaking, local versus real English. So let's start our video. Welcome to my channel, that is sylearning. Do subscribe, like and comment. Number 1, juice. No, it's juice. Number 2, snack. Not really, it's snake. Number 3, walk. It's not walk, it's walk. Clock. It's clock. Clock. And the next one is football. It's not football, it's football. Football. Leg. Not leg, it's like. The next one is heart. No, it's heart. Next one is dance. No, it's dance. Flower. No, it's not flower, it's flower. Next is bottle. It's not bottle, it's bottle. Thank you. No, it's thank you. Letter. It's later. Thanks for watching us my channel. Do subscribe, like and share my channel.